अथ श्री पृथ्वी वैकुंठ महापुराणम अर्थ बिकमिंग वैकुंठा अष्टमः स्कंदः मंगलस्य नौ पृथ्वीत्वम् मंगल ग्रह चतुर्थे कक्षात् पृथिव्याः कक्षायां गत्वा नूतने पृथिव्यां परिणमति. Eighth skand, the new earthliness of Mars. In the eighth skand, in the eighth section, it is declared that Mangal is going to become the new Earth. Mars moves from fourth orbit to Earth's orbit and turns into a new Earth. अथ वैकुंठे संभूतः भगवान् लोकबान्धवः मंगलस्य भविष्यन्ति कथां वक्तुं प्रचक्रमे. Then the Lord, the friend of the world, from Vaikuntha, born on earth in human body, she began to tell the story of the future of Mangal. शृणुते पृथिवीपुत्रः रहस्यं काले संभवम् येन ज्ञाते नवं चक्रं सृष्टेः सम्यग् वगम्यते. O sons and daughters of the earth, listen to the mystery born of time, by which, when the new wheel of creation is known, it is perfectly understood. मंगलो नाम विख्यातः चतुर्थे पथे संस्थितः दीर्घकालं स्वधर्मेण कालयात्रामकार्यते. The famous Mangal is situated on the fourth orbit. By his own duty, he made the journey of time for a long time. सूर्यस्य परितो नित्यं स्वमार्गेण व्यवस्थितिः नियतेः शासनं धृत्वा मौनेनैव स्थितो भवते. It is always in its own way around the sun. Now, following the command of fate, he remained silent. न कश्चिते वस्तुरत्रैव निष्क्रियः परिकीर्तितः अंतर्गूढां विकासः श्री सर्वत्र परिवर्तते. No object is declared to be inactive here. The splendor of development hidden within the revolving everywhere. यथा बीजं मही मध्ये सुप्तं तिष्ठति दीर्घकालं काले प्राप्ते प्रसूयेत वृक्षरूपं मनोहरं. Just as a seed remains dormant in the middle of the earth for a long time, and in due course it will give birth to a delightful tree. एवं मंगले मध्यस्थः शक्तयः सुप्तिरूपिणः कालयोगं प्रतीक्षन्ते नूतनस्य विधानतः. Thus, the energies in the minds of auspiciousness are in the form of sleep. They are waiting for the appointment of a new one in accordance with the prescribed rituals. यदा भूमिरे द्वितीयं वे देवमार्गं समाश्रयेते तदा तृतीयं पथे स्थानं रिक्तं संप्रजायते. When the earth moves in the second orbit of the gods, then the place on the third path becomes empty. प्रकृतिः शून्यतां नैव दीर्घकालं सहेत हि तस्मान्नूतने रूपेण पूर्णं समुपैति तत्. Nature cannot tolerate emptiness for long. Therefore, it comes to be fulfilled in a new form. तदा मंगले देवोपि नियतेः प्रेरणां लभेते तृतीय मार्गे मासाद्य नूतनां भूमिमाचरेते. Then even Mangal Deva will be inspired by fate. Reaching the third path, one should cultivate a new earth. नूतनां सा वसुन्धैव भविष्यति क्रमशः शुभा जीवनस्य पुनर्बीजं धारयत्री भविष्यति. That new earth will gradually become auspicious and she will again bear the seeds of life. यथा मातुः पदे कन्या कर्तव्यं प्रतिपद्यते तथा पूर्वेन धरामार्गं नवी भूः प्रतिपत्स्यते. Just as a daughter fulfills her duty at the feet of her mother, in the same way the new earth will follow the path of the former earth. नाशो नायं पुरा भूमेः न च तस्यां विसर्जनं कार्यभेदः पदभेदो विकासस्यैव लक्षणम्. It is not the destruction of the ancient land nor its abandonment. Difference of functions and difference of step is a sign of development itself. पूर्वाभूर्देव भावेन उच्च पदे प्रतिष्ठिता नवे भूः मानवानां वे शिक्षां दास्यति पुनः. The former earth is established on a high path by the nature of Almighty Soul of Eva. The new earth will once again impart education to human beings. एवं चक्रं प्रवर्तेत सृष्टेः कालानुसारतः युगे युगे नवान्येव रूपाणि समुपस्थिता. Thus the cycle will proceed according to the time of creation. In every age new form have arisen. नूतनस्यां धरायां च जीवनस्याङ्कुराः पुनः कालक्रमेण वर्धन्ते मातृकुक्षाविव शिशवः. And in a new earth the sprouts of life again. Like babies in their mother's womb, they grow up with the passage of time. वनानि पर्वताश्चैव नद्यः सागरसंयुताः क्रमशो रूपमासाद्य शोभां प्राप्नुवते शुभाम्. Forests, mountains, rivers and seas, gradually they assume form and attain auspicious beauty like on this earth. वायुरापश्च भूमिश्च तेजे आकाशमेव च पंचभूते समायोगात् नूतनं जगत् उद्भवेते. Air, water, earth, light and also the sky. From the combination of the five elements a new world arises. प्रकृतेः कार्यमेतद्भिः नित्यं सृष्टिविवर्धनम् पुरातनस्यान्धारेण नूतनस्य प्रकल्पना. This is the work of nature to ever increase creation, the design of the new on the basis of the old. यथा दीपो प्रभादीपो ज्योतिमेव प्रगृह्यते तथा पूर्वेन धरामार्गात् नवी भूः शिक्षमाप्नुयात्. Just as a lamp of light takes light from a lamp, in the same way the new earth will learn from the path of the former earth and follow the footsteps of old mother. पूर्वयुगस्य संस्काराः सूक्ष्मरूपेण संस्थिताः नूतनस्य विकासस्य बीजभावं प्रपद्यते. The rituals of the previous age, previous earth, were subtly established. It attains the seed state of a new development, the evolution. नूतनाः मानवाः तत्र कार्ययोगेन जायते अनुभूतिं समादाय पूर्वचक्रस्य सूक्ष्मतः. New human beings are born there with the combination of time. Having gained subtle perfection of the former wheel of evolution will begin. अज्ञानं ज्ञानरूपेण दुःखं शान्ते परिवर्तते. इतिहासः स्वयं लोके शिक्षकत्वं प्रपद्यते. Ignorance in the form of knowledge turns suffering into peace. History itself assumes the role of teacher in this world, the Manushya Lok. Yat kinchiten shubhamasita tat sanrakshang priyatnatah yat shubham to drishtam syate tatyajyam buddhimadbhihi. Whatever was auspicious should be preserved with care, but whatever is seen in inauspicious should be abandoned by the wise. एषां नूतने भूमेः वे प्रथमे शिक्षा प्रकीर्तिता अनुभवो महानाचार्यः कालः परम दर्शकः. It is the first teaching of a new earth. Mentioned experience is the great teacher and time is the supreme seer. Time teaches. मंगलो अपि न केवलं ग्रह ख्यातो न नभस्थले भविष्यस्य धरारूपेण कथितो अत्र प्रत्येकवते. Even Mars is the only famous planet in the sky. It is explained here as a symbol of the future in the form of the earth. नवजीवने निर्माणे साहसं परमं स्मृतं मंगलस्य गुणोऽयं वे लोकेषु प्रतिपादितः. Courage is supreme in creating a new life. This virtue of auspiciousness has been exhibited in all the three worlds, heaven, earth and patal. यः संकटेषु न कंपेत सत्ये तिष्ठेते दृढे व्रतः समंगले गुणोपेतः मानवः परिकीर्तितः. He who does not waver in time of trouble and remains true to his vows, that human being is described as endowed with auspicious qualities. नूतनायां धरायां च सत्यं मूलं भविष्यति सेवा तस्याः पल्लवारूपा करुणा पुष्पमोत्तमम्. And truth will take root in the new earth. Her compassionate service in the form of a leaf is an excellent flower. ज्ञानं तत्रे फलं दिव्यं शान्तिं स्वादो रसः स्मृतः एवं धर्मे तरुः पूर्णः लोकानन्दं करिष्यति. Knowledge is the fruit here. Divine peace is said to be the delicious taste. In this way, the tree of righteousness will be full of delight to the new world. एकेवे मातृभावानां सर्वेषां हृदि वर्तते न जाति भेदो न द्वेषो न कलहो भविष्यति. The same motherly feeling is in everyone's heart. There will be no difference of race, no hatred, no quarrel in Moksha Dham. पृथ्वी मातरः सर्वाः रूपभेदेन संस्थिताः धारणा शक्तिरूपेण तासां तत्त्वं तु एककम्. All the mothers of the earth are situated in different forms, but their essence is one in the form of power of perception. धारणाधर्मे इत्युक्तं नूतनायाम् अपेक्षितौ धर्मो नित्यः सनातनः मातृभाव समुद्भवः. Retention is called righteousness. Even in the new world, dharma is eternal and eternal, born of motherly love. Iva Shastri. यधरेते सर्वभूतानि प्रेम्णा करुणया सह स धर्मः परमो ज्ञेयः न केवलं मतं किल. He who holds all beings with love and compassion, that supreme righteous God is to be understood and not merely an opinion indeed. नूतनायाः धरायाश्च प्रथमः सन्देश उच्यते भवतो सर्वलोकस्य हितमेव परं व्रतम्. And the first message of the new earth is said, may this supreme vow be for the welfare of all the worlds. वृक्षेषु जीवनं पश्येते तोये पश्येते परां गतिं वायो प्राणं तथा भूमो मातृरूपं निरीक्षयेते. One should see life in the trees and one should see the supreme destination in the water. One should observe the life force in the air and the form of the mother on the earth. नदीनामपि रक्षणं पर्वतानां च पूजनं धर्मस्यैव महायज्ञः सर्वकालं प्रकीर्तितः. Protection of rivers and worship of mountains is the great love for mother, and a sacrifice of righteousness has been declared at all times. नवयुगस्य प्रारंभे विज्ञानं धर्मे संयुतं धर्मो विज्ञाने युक्तश्च लोकहिते प्रवर्तते. At the beginning of the new earth, new age, science combined with religion, righteousness endowed with wisdom is practiced for the welfare of the world. नान्योन्य विरोधो तत्र ज्ञान धर्मयोर भवेते उभौ मिलित्वा लोकस्य विकासं साधयिष्यतः. There would be no contradiction between dharma and science. Together they will contribute to the development of the world. Science and religion are one. Mangalasya navam karyam srutva te srotramandalaha vismayam paramam praptaha chintayantaha punaha punaha. The audience heard Mangala's new work, new beginning of new earth. Thinking over it again and again, they were astonished. Vaikunthatmam punah praha prasannavadano harihi nutanasyam yugasyape vritantam srinutadhuna. the soul of Bhagwan born on earth in a human body is from Vaikuntha. The listeners, monkey-like unevolved, spoke again with a cheerful countenance. Now listen to the story of this new era. यदा नवी धरा पूर्णां स्थितिं समधिगच्छति तदा मानवे जातीनां नूतनः काल आरभेते. When the new earth attains its full state, then a new era will begin for the human race. बाल्यावस्थेवे भूमेः सा प्रथमं संविवर्धते ततो यौवने मासाद्य वैभवं समुपाप्नुयाते. The first grows on the Manusya Lok as in her childhood. Then she will attain youth and prosperity with greenery all around and different species. पुनः पुनरयं चक्रः कालधर्मानुसारतः अनाद्यन्तः प्रवर्तेत सृष्टे महानियोजनम्. Again, characteristics of time from beginning to end, the great plan of creation should proceed for 21 centuries. न कश्चिदत्र शाश्वत्यां रूपस्थितिमवाप्नुयात् परिवर्तने मेवात्र जीवनस्य महोत्सवः. No one here in Manusya Lok attains the state of form in eternity. Change is the greatest celebration of life. यह कालस्य गतिं वेत्ति सधीरः परिकीर्तितः यो मोहं धारयेत् नित्यं स दुःखं प्रतिपद्यते. He who knows the system of time is said to be steadfast, wise. He who always retains delusion attains to suffering. अतः सर्वे प्रायुरञ्जेन ज्ञानदीपं स्वचेतसि येन नूतने युगस्य मार्गो बोधं प्रयच्छति. Therefore, all used the lamp of knowledge in their minds by which the great path of the new age imparts enlightenment. भविष्ये नूतना भूमिः लोकमातेत्युदाहृता मंगलात् समुत्पन्नः वे जीवन धारिणी शुभा. In the future, a new earth will be called the mother of the world. The auspicious lady who sustains life is born of auspiciousness. इत्युक्तं भगवानात्मा श्रोतॄन् हर्षेण पूरयन् नवयुगस्य महागाथा विस्तरेण न्यवेदयते. Having said this, the Supreme Soul filled the listeners with joy. She explained in detail the great story of the new age, past, present and future. इत्यष्टम परिच्छेदे मंगलस्य नव पृथ्वीत्वं समाप्तम्. अथ नवम परिच्छेदे नूतन युग प्रारंभः कथ्यते. Thus, in the 8th skanda, the new earth now merged. The system of change is completed. Now, in the 9th skanda, the beginning of a new age, new era will be explained.